How to find recently deleted photos on iPhone. So if you recently deleted some photos on your iPhone and now you want to find these photos, then these are the steps you need to take. First, go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now you can just move from library to collection. Under collections, scroll down the page until you get to utilities. Click on utilities. Click on recently deleted. Enter your passcode to view this album or confirm your face ID to view the album. Now, go ahead and confirm your login, and then you should see your recently deleted photos and videos on your iPhone. If you want to delete them permanently, click on select at top right, click on the three dots, click on delete all, and then click on delete from this iPhone. However, if you want to restore any photo back to your folder, click on the photo and then click on recover at the bottom right. If it is video, click on the video, click on recover at the bottom right. Now, that's how you can easily find recently deleted photos on your iPhone. So if you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.